Hello everyone. Today we're going to look at some additional features that you can access within the Metrix Learning website. So the first thing we're going to do is access our account with the account information provided to you. And as always, go straight to the top in this blue bar where it says My Plan. And you will find all of the courses that you have been assigned. As a reminder, if there is an orange circle that says started, that means you have started, you have launched the course, however, you have not finished it. If there's a green circle, that means you have started, you have launched it and passed it. And of course, if it says not started, that means you have not started or launched your course in this activity. Okay, so what we're going to do is click here on the arrow where it says click to launch activity so that we can look at the additional features. And on the left-hand side, if you do have a pop-up blocker, you're going to click here to launch course and a new window will come up. Oops, excuse me. In my case, I'm not going to do the pre-test. I'm just going to go ahead and start course so that we can see all of the features that are available to you. If we look here towards the bottom on this of the window, in this bottom dark gray section, you're going to look at different tools that you can access. One of the tools that I think are really helpful are the closed caption tools. I'm going to go ahead and just remove the volume. That way I can show you kind of what it looks like. If you can see here, the closed caption is here at the bottom. So if you are watching this video and you prefer to read and watch at the exact same time, then you can have that feature. Another cool feature, let's say, for example, this is entirely too small for you and you're like, okay, I need to make this a bit bigger. Well, if you go here to this little gear option there, you can see this option that says caption text size, and you can actually increase it up to 200%. So you have that option there. Another option that you have in regards to audio is this playback speed. You can increase it so that the audio can be a lot faster, up to 2, or you can decrease it from 1 so that it can go a lot slower from 2.5, excuse me. So you have those two features there that you can definitely utilize. As we talked about the feature with closed captioning, you also have another feature, which is looking at or reading the course or topic transcript. Right now, if you can see here at the top above this man's head, right here, it says course overview. Right now, this is the section that we are at, okay? And I'm going to show you really quick. Let's go here to the left-hand side where it says table of contents. Okay, we can see where we are right now. Right now we are in course overview. It says course overview right here. And if I go to this little document icon here and I choose topic transcript, this is going to provide me a transcript for this specific topic, which is the course overview. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and click there just so you can kind of see it. And this is exactly what you will hear in the video. This is exactly what you will read in the closed captioning, except it's separating it here for you. If I were to then go to here at the bottom where it says click next, okay, I'm going to have a new video show up, and that section is the role of assumptions in critical thinking. For example, as mentioned, we have the closed captioning on here. Okay, now if you can kind of notice, the video is moving kind of slowly or really slowly, and that is because I have the playback speed at a lower setting. So I'm going to go ahead and increase that, and it kind of looks a little bit more natural movement, but I can actually even increase it even more. Okay, just so that it could be a little bit faster. Okay, and the other part that I really wanted to focus on here is the topic transcript. As we had talked about and I showed you, the topic transcript is about that specific topic that we were looking at right now, so that video. And in this case, it would be the role of assumptions in critical thinking. So you can read every single thing here. If after you've watched a video, or maybe you're just tired of watching videos and you'd rather just read, you can definitely do that here. Now, when we compare it with the course transcript, however, you're going to find the entire course. So when I refer to the entire course, I'm referring to all of these lessons here. And you can access the entire transcript by section here. Okay, so you can see it's quite lengthy, and if you want to just look at everything all at once, you can definitely do that. So those are those features that you have with that. As a reminder, if in order to access the course test after you have three kind of ways to access it. Once you've done all of these lessons here on the left hand side, you'll see that it is complete because, well, it's filled in entirely green. In general, it's showing you here that you've partially completed it, and so that's why that is a half green circle there. And so when you get through all of these lessons here, you're going to access, once you're finished everything, you're going to go ahead and access the next lesson by next topic, and eventually you'll get to the course test. Once you finish watching all the videos, you can also access the course test here on the left-hand side where it says course test, or here at the top bar where it says menu, I'm going to go ahead and click there. And you can see that you have access to the course test there as well. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at some additional resources. I'm going to go ahead and click on here. And this additional resources, I actually really like that this feature that Metrix has and can offer you. And we're going to go ahead and look at, it says, use this job aid to help you identify and apply the 3 different question types you use to challenge assumptions. So this is kind of like a little homework or little activity that you can do on your own. And so I'm going to go ahead and here and click checking assumptions and then go through the activity and what it's offering you there. So you have a lot of different features. It's not just watching a video and clicking next. You have other features that you're able to access in order to make this a lot easier or a lot more enjoyable to you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and hope you have a great day.